Hello gardening students, this is Mrs. Lewis and I'm in the St. Constantine garden. Today I'm going to go over mulching, a real basic, easy, sometimes even free way to mulch your garden and to reduce your weed population. So there's a few benefits of mulching. The first one is very obvious. You put down something over the ground and it reduces the weeds that can come up because they can't get enough sunlight. Another one that's a little less obvious is it retains moisture in the ground. So especially important during our hot summers here in Houston, the ground gets real dry and hard, and it's hard for anything that we want to grow to take root. So those two, and then a third one, another one that's less obvious is it keeps nutrients in the ground. So when the ground gets hard and cracked, it loses a lot of its minerals. Again, not good for the plants that we actually want to grow. Okay, so real simple method. I have newspaper. I get newspaper from my neighbor. They have been buying the Houston Chronicle for years, but they don't really read it, or if they read it, they just read it and then give it to me. And so my first step here is I'm just going to lay down some newspaper. You can use the whole sheets, like 3 or 4 sheets. A nice thick layer of newspaper is good, really keeps the sun from getting to those weeds. Now here in the school garden we have a lot of random things growing because this is the first grade garden. They just kind of plant seeds wherever they want. So I'm going to watch out for my dill, my cilantro, sad looking watermelon plant, an onion. So I'm not going to mulch over those. So the first thing is I'm going to put down some newspaper. Okay. Once you got like a good bit of newspaper down, you can put down leaves on it. And again, the leaves, some people like to use like maybe wood chips from Home Depot or whatever, but leaves again are kind of free. They're something nature gives you, and if you like your front yard to be weed or leaf free, then you probably rake up a bag of leaves like kind of like this one, and just throw it on the curb for the trash people to get it. But really you can use these leaves. So I picked up these leaves from some neighbors down the street off of Gessner, and you just cover the newspaper with the leaves, and you just completely cover them until you can't see the newspaper anymore. So these are all free. I didn't pay for the newspaper, I didn't pay for the leaves, and it goes back into the soil. It creates good soil, keeps the moisture higher than it would in the middle of the summer, and it keeps the weeds down, most importantly. Anyways, happy gardening. Happy gardening. Miss you all. Bye.